Well, for our next adventure, the Sledgehammer and I are going to play paintball. I was thinking of mounting like some dual paintballs on the top here, but our producers didn't think that'd be a good idea, since I don't have any more brakes. So, we're going to go down there and we're going to eliminate these two individuals who have volunteered to be slaughtered! Yeah, Sledgehammer and I, we're going to make short work of them. We're going to put them down hard. As you can tell, I prepared for this with camouflage. These two did not. Obviously, I have an advantage over top of them. Not only that, but I've got the sledgehammer. So, you two can go hide as hard as you want, because we're going to kill you! In a pleasant and kind way, of course. It's just paintball after all. Anyhow, what they don't know is I've got a full mask, so they won't know I'm coming. Let's play some paintball.